economic outlets.
Jatend Migago mar aluora kod char mar kod lwasi Soipantuya oyanga put mabiro tayo chenro mag romo machal mar kod lwasi motisi ni Africa Climate Summit dwe mar 9 higani. Kano limo apisi margi hapa hile boma ma Nairobi, Tuya no yango ni gibiro rwako welo ma ok tin 10,000 mabiro miyo Nairobi thuolo ma twak ewi bero chal mar kod lwasi e Afrika mangima. Romo ni mabiro e tielo ma okwongo ibiro chwoe kom kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaachiel kod jatend piny Comoros kod jakom riwruok mar pinje Afrika Musa Faki.
And special, as it will be the first of a kind where all African heads of state and governments are convening under the umbrella of the African Union dedicated to climate discussions. His Excellency President Ruto is clear that the summit will chart a green growth pathway for the African continent, setting the stage for Africa to lead the globe towards a more ecologically responsible global industrialization catalyzed by financing that is accessible, adequate, and affordable. A key outcome from the Africa Climate Summit will be an African leaders' Nairobi Declaration on climate change and call to action.
In Europe and at the global level, the leaders are already talking about the summit in Africa. You know how it works diplomatically. Then in all the meetings, it comes up as an issue. Oh, what about this? And who will go? And etc. So the bus is already out there, and it needs to be because again, 4 months is a very short time to pull it off. But we are confident you will do it.